When pain disrupts your life, it can feel like you're stuck in an endless loop of discomfort and frustration, especially if you're an active person. Hi, I'm Leanne Young from Young in Motion and Fit and Well Physiotherapy. And when I run, getting knee pain or any kind of pain with running makes my heart sink. Despite my knowledge, experience and skill of understanding the human body, because I actually have taught anatomy to physiotherapy students as well as being a treating physiotherapist, and understanding its movement and helping others with aches and pains, I too worry about the threat of having really debilitating arthritis in my own joints, and so I can understand the trepidation you might feel when you start to feel that twinge, either when you're running or when you're just going about your ordinary life. But I've dealt with it myself with regular exercise, weight maintenance, and adopting a healthy lifestyle. I can keep my knee pain at bay most of the time, with the occasional twinge, particularly if I've just let the kilos creep up a little bit, or, believe it or not, when the weather is about to turn like it's going to rain. So it is possible to not have to resort to more desperate measures when you start to get the pain, as long as you address it in time, in most cases. Of course, it's really important to get a good diagnosis. And as a physiotherapist with over 3 decades of experience, I've witnessed countless stories of transformation, from busy professionals struggling with their knee pain or hip pain chronically, to active parents sidelined by back or neck issues. Each story has reinforced what I discovered early in my career. Lasting pain relief isn't just about treating the symptoms. It's actually about getting to the cause and the underlying factors contributing to why you might be having the pain in the first place. Knowing the complete picture of the person and their lifestyle, not just the nature of the pain itself, but also helping people take control of their own health journey. And this may be something that you would be interested in, or at least finding out a little bit more about. So the series of videos is going to be like a map for the adventurous soul, guiding you through the peaks and valleys of managing and overcoming musculoskeletal pain. Of course, like any journey, there's going to be times of great highs and sometimes some lows. But with the support and guidance of the right people and having a great community around you, you can go far. We'll explore the science behind pain, drawing on insights from health practitioners with extensive experience, as well as researchers and therapists with considerable academic prowess and knowledge. And that will give you a little bit more insight into why your body might be feeling the way it is. I'll also give you ideas and an understanding of exercise, so you can see how you might think about modifying what you do and when to know when it's okay to move and when you might need to be a bit more careful. You can discover the pitfalls and the pain relievers that exercise can bring, as well as a plethora of helpful ideas and activities that will supply you with insights as to how you might manage your pain better and perhaps to overcome it for the long term, not just for now, so that you might be inspired to live a more comfortable, healthy and enjoyable life in a way that's sustainable for you. Because I'm pretty practical and I like to give people ideas of how to make things work for them, and if it doesn't work, we can always try a different way. So I really hope you'll get some benefit from these videos, and do leave comments or send me an email so I can make more things and more insights so that you can get forward and transform on your path from pain to a productive and peaceful life and lifestyle.